Yo, what's going on, man? We looking at the laundry bag. You know, it's gonna be linked in the description. I'm gonna throw the basket, original plastic basket I got, away because it's cracked and blah blah blah. So y'all already know what to do. It really ain't nothing new. Bow. All right, here we go. The moment of truth awaits, right? This is called, I believe you say it, DOKEHOM, DOKEHOM, or something like that. So let's open this up. It got a lot of positive reviews, about 40 reviews online. This box seems a little open, like they stuck their hand in between this joint. What the hell? Nah, they gotta stop doing that shit, man. Opening the package and just peeking inside of the shit, you heard? Should be wild. Let's see what they did. That's exactly what they did. That's exactly what these nosy motherfuckers did, you heard? Excuse my language. Let me open this shit though, fuck it. It's probably folded up. See, this is how you spell the name of the company. I don't know if y'all can see that clear. Kind of dim in here. But yeah. Put this light on out here, right here. See if it changes a little bit. Might change a little bit. Might help out a little bit, might not. DOKEHOM. Boom, right? So, give that a better, you know, I'm opening it up. It's well folded. I can say that much. It's well folded. Extra large. It's gray, extra large. Right? Okay, let's open it up, right? How you do this thing? Should be easy to open. There you go. Being that it should go a little bit with the with my wall too. It's kind of light. It's probably kind of too light. I could have got the darker version, but let's see. This is the size of it. I don't think the color looks too good. Matter of fact, I might get a different color. I might return it and get a different color, to be honest with you. Yeah, I might return it and get a different color. It's a decent size though. I might return this, to be honest with you. I thought it was gonna be darker. See how my walls is? I thought it was gonna go over my walls like more darker. You know, I probably should get a darker gray, which I may do. I might get a darker gray. Most likely, I don't like the color at all. So we're gonna do a review of this one anyway. Yeah, it's kind of big. It might be too big. Who knows? I don't think I'm washing all this clothes at one time because I wash clothes a lot. So you know, this extra large one is, you know, it can hold a decent amount of clothes in it too. You know, this is the original plastic basket I had. I'm gonna throw it away. I also got a collapsible mesh laundry bag. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the mesh bag in here. That bin gonna have to go in the garbage, by the way, too. That plastic bin, I'm gonna put the mesh bag in here. That's when it's dirty. When the clothes is clean, I'm gonna take the mesh bag out and fold it up and put it in the laundry bag by itself.
You smart.
No, that's my strategy. I'm just doing that. That's the way I'm gonna do it. But yeah, like I said, I don't like the color of it. It's too light. You know, this, of course, I won't put this on the regular floor. I might put something underneath the bag and have it stashed in the corner right here. Might have stashed in the corner, but yeah, I'm gonna give you the I might give you the dimensions of it right now. Yeah, I don't really like it. It's too light. Yeah. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think in the description. It's big though. It's definitely big. Pause. Let me see something. Hold on. All right, bet. So look right here, right? Do the measurement of it. Measurement of the bag is try to stand it up straight. The measurement of the DOKEHOM bag. Say it's basically, I'll say about 33 inches long. 33 inches long. You know, the dimensions is listed online, but let's see how accurate the dimensions is. About, I'll say 14 inches wide and 18 inches long. About. I don't really care about the accuracy of it. This is more than enough room for me, but the only problem is the color. I thought it was going to go with the wall, be a little bit darker. They do have a dark gray one, but I don't know how. It might be too dark. So you know, the color of my walls is more in between. I don't know why I wanted to match. I might keep this one. Who knows? It might grow on me and I might start liking it. But yeah, y'all already know what to do. Let me know in the review if I should keep this. Bars. Consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell notification.